World AIDS Day is December 1st. There will be free HIV testing at the James Williams State Service Center and Riverwalk State Service Center from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on December 1st. There will be giveaways while supplies last. The James Williams State Service Center is located at 805 River Road in Dover. The Riverwalk State Service Center is located at 253 Northeast Front Street in Milford. Parents and caregivers who work in or near construction can bring home small amounts of soil on their clothes. That soil can carry tiny particles not visible to the eye, called spores, that can cause a rare but serious illness called botulism. Babies can get very sick if they swallow these particles. To lower the risk, take off work shoes before coming inside and change out of work clothes before holding a child. State offices, including all DPH offices, will be closed this Thursday and Friday, November 27 and 28, 2025. Have a safe, happy and healthy Thanksgiving. The Delaware Division of Public Health's Bureau of Cancer Prevention and Control is seeking a full-time contractor to serve as program coordinator for the Comprehensive Cancer Control Program. This role is essential in supporting statewide cancer control efforts through program planning, data analysis, community outreach, coalition building, and evaluation. Qualifications include degree in public health, master's preferred, bachelor's with additional experience considered, experience in program planning, evaluation, and coalition building. Strong writing, communication, and presentation skills. Knowledge of cancer prevention and chronic disease management. Residency in Delaware with a valid driver's license and reliable transportation. Apply by December 1, 2025. Send cover letter and resume to the email address in the video description.